I'm going to teach you the basics of a simple hand-tied European bouquet. Got it? Watch me. I'm going to do the first 3 or 4 stems, and when you feel comfortable, step in. Here's the secret. Herman, stop doing this. Cross them. Keep them about the same height. Little lower. So I'm going to take a couple of roses. Like I saw swords from Magician's Box. I'm going to come this way, then I'm going to switch hands, and I'm going to go that way, switch hands, come this way, give it a slight turn, and see what we turn out. I've been doing flowers for 30 years. Herman, you've been doing them for 12 seconds.
Yeah.
Bring that berry up a little bit. Watch your height. All nice and sort of elevated to the same height. Good. Keep going. Right, doing flowers is easy, and at my school, which I have around the country, 16 of them, everybody does. Flowers, how do you get it to last forever? Buy good flowers, put bleach in the water in your container, spray them with Crowning Glory, which I have right here. It's a liquid sealer that seals in your flowers, and so the moisture can't come out. Also soak them under water, submerge them, also put bleach in the water. And lower your hand a little bit. Yes.
And when you say more stock, that means like
this. This is stock. You don't even know that. I didn't teach you very well. That is called stock, like stock market. You got 2 stock on that side, so put a couple of stock on the other side. Let's see, you got one lily there, throw a big lily on the other side. Okay, grab it. Okay, keep going. Because when you're doing this page, you want to keep adding this way, this way, this way. Let me see. Now we're cooking. Throw that one right there. Now we're cooking. Throw one on the other side, the balance. One over there. Let me see. Turn it at me. Oh, it's pretty. I can't like these better than mine. Pull these up so it's nice and sort of just a slight curve. Here's some more. You got about 4 more, 5 more stems. Look at your top. Where do you need them? Then we're going to take a little bit of lemon leaf. There it is, European hand ties, perfect for your first date, second date. I love you, Mom. Home for the holidays. Welcome to the neighborhood. We got about 30 seconds left. Look at the top, not at your hand. See, you'll see them sticking up. Pull that in, pull it way down. Yeah, barely showing. The greens are barely showing. Flowerschool101.com. For more information, go to our website. We have 17 now schools around the country. There's one near you. There you go. Wait, you're getting it. This is his first one. I've done 7 million.
literally my first one.
Point it at the camera. Who's this who's? You can't even tell. Watch. We'll mix up. You can't even tell who's this by. Flowerschool101.com. These flowers are for you. Point them, Herman. There you go.